Not sure how to use your Gree AC Remote? Model number YX1F. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Gree AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating based on room temperature. Want it cooler or warmer? Use the temperature plus and temperature minus buttons to adjust the room temperature just the way you like it. More chill or a bit of warmth. It's all in your control. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Timer mode lets you schedule your AC to turn on or off automatically. Just set the hours, and your AC will cool or shut off exactly when you want. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Gree AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.